Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two exciting mini drones on the table for comparison. In this corner, we have the UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drone, and in the other corner, we have the Oddire mini drone. Let's dive into the features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to design, both drones have a unique twist. The UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drone combines the fun of a racing car and a flying drone. With its glide takeoff landing function, you can easily switch between road and sky. On the other hand, the Oddire mini drone also offers a 2-in-1 design. It can transform from a drone to a car with just a press of a button. Both drones bring a new level of excitement, but the choice ultimately comes down to personal preference. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones. The UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drone features propeller guards and a one-key emergency stop function to ensure the safety of both the drone and its surroundings. Made from high-quality ABS material, it can withstand collisions and drops, making it suitable for children and beginners. Similarly, the Oddire mini drone also prioritizes safety with its protective fan blades and durable construction. Both drones offer peace of mind while flying, so you can choose the one that suits your needs. Now let's talk about the features and functions that make these drones stand out. The UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drone offers 3D flips and high-speed flying, providing an exhilarating experience. Its LED lights ensure visibility day or night, adding a touch of excitement to your flights. With the one-key taking off landing and auto-hovering function, it's easy to control and perfect for beginners. On the other hand, the Oddire mini drone boasts one-click takeoff and landing, stable altitude hover, and a 360-degree roll. Its intelligent chip allows for versatile flying in various environments. Both drones offer a range of features, so choose the one that matches your flying style. Battery life is an essential factor to consider when choosing a mini drone. The UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drone provides a total flying time of 17 to 20 minutes, allowing for longer playtime and more practice for future flights. It also features a low battery power alarm to prevent any unexpected power loss. On the other hand, the Oddire mini drone comes with two batteries, providing up to 20 to 30 minutes of battery life. With its longer usage time, you can enjoy extended flights and racing fun. Consider your flying needs and choose the drone that suits your battery requirements. And that concludes our comparison between the UNTEI 2-in-1 mini drone and the Oddire mini drone. Both drones offer unique features and exciting experiences. It's up to you to decide which one fits your preferences and budget. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.